Hi, this is Apex Electrical Services. We specialize in older home wiring. We are home electrician experts. We offer a free estimate and a bonus for seniors, military, and first responders. Our services include electrical panels, doorbell repair, fluorescent fixtures, interior wiring, outlets, pot light repairs, receptacles, switches, aluminum wiring, ceiling fans, circuit overloading, fixtures, inadequate capacity, knob and tube wiring, power failure, power surge, Generlink, generators, and code corrections. We offer house protection when lightning strikes and backup power during an ice storm. We provide the latest updates to the electric system of homes. We are available for unplanned electrical issues. We install Generlink. The Generlink keeps the home's essentials running during a power outage, such as the sump pump, furnace, and freezer food. We install CleanVolt. The CleanVolt gives the entire house total protection from lightning strikes. The CleanVolt allows televisions, computers, microwaves, washer and dryers, and all other electrical and electronic components to last up to 32% longer and run more efficiently. CleanVolt is a lightning spike and surge arrestor. We make safe any pre-existing aluminum wiring. We make safe any pre-existing knob and tube wiring. We can solve any electrical concerns from insurance companies. We change fuse panels into circuit breaker panels. The benefits include if you ever go to sell your house, your investment is protected. All potential fire hazards are removed. No more changing fuses. Simply turn the switch off and then back on. And you will get a letter for your insurance company that you are no longer on fuses. We recycle.